Hello, everyone. So, today we're going to talk about how to speed up your Windows laptop. Okay. And there is no software you have to install to actually do this. Okay. So, is your Windows laptop slow and frustrating? Today, I will show you 7 simple ways to speed it up with no extra software, no complicated steps. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is disable startup apps. And how are you going to disable startup apps? Okay, I got you covered. You come here to the Windows icon, go to your task manager, and then under the task manager, you're going to go to startup. I think, yeah, startup apps. And the app that keeps, essentially startup apps are those apps that would run the moment you power up your laptop. So you get to disable them, right? If you see, if you notice, I've actually disabled some of them that were, coming up the moment I put up my laptop. So all you have to do is, for example, you want to disable, let's say, for example, a SharePoint or a mobile device, for example. So you right click and then you click on disable, just that. Okay, and it will be done. The moment you start your laptop, it's not going to do that. Okay, um, so that's one step. Okay, so we use the task manager. Again, you can actually use Control Shift plus um, delete, right? Control Shift delete to actually do to go to your task manager, or Control Shift escape. The next one is to run. I think I can close. The next one is to run a disk cleanup. Okay, so it's important to free up space with disk cleanup. It removes temporary files and system junks. So how are you going to do this? So you come here to right here, you can search for it, the disk cleanup, disk cleanup. Okay, so click here on your start, right? The start here, click on your, this is called the start, the Windows icon is called the start, and then click on the disk cleanup. And then it's going to load some of the things you want, especially if you have more than one drive, you get to select, but automatically it has picked my C drive. And then you get to choose um, what are those files that are taking a whole lot of your memory space, and then you get to what delete. So you have to just, you can tick um, those temporary files, uh, recycle bin. You see I have some recycle bin here, then I need deleting. I'm just keeping it for now. You can tick recycle bin, and once you're done with all those things, you can just click on OK, and it will be deleted. Okay, it will be deleted. So that's how to do that. Number three, okay, uninstall unused programs, right? Some apps you installed months ago are just slowing things down. They're just slowing things down. You probably don't need them. So how are you going to do it? So go to, click on the start, then right here to settings. You can search for it, settings, and under settings you click on apps, okay, and click on installed apps, okay, and then you can sort by size. Okay, you can actually sort by size. That's from the large to the small, and then you get to remove those applications that you've gone through and you probably not using them for months, and you get to actually delete them. So it's probably taking time. So yeah, I have some these applications that I use, but if you're not using them, please by all means, you really want to delete them. I think I'm no longer using Slack anymore, so I get to uninstall my Slack. Okay, I get to uninstall this. Okay, click on install, and that will be done. So it's important to always free up space. Okay, it's important to always free up your space. All right. The next one is to restart regularly. Don't just close your laptop. Restart it regularly to clear memory and fix minor bugs. I know most of you don't do this. You just shut down, you shut down, you shut down. But please, once in a while, try to always restart your device. Okay, because when you restart it, it clears memories and fix minor bugs. Okay, and again, the next one I want to talk about. So the part four I talked about, restart regularly. The fifth step, the fifth tip I want to give to you is adjust performance setting. You can tell Windows to focus on speed, not looks. Okay, you can tell Windows to focus on speed, not looks. And how would you do that? Right, so you click on the start, okay, and then you go to click on view, advanced system settings. So we can come here, and then right here, that's one way. Right here, you could actually work on your performance. Okay, how you want your performance to look like. What are the things you need to um, uninstall, uncheck rather, and then check. I have animate controls. I have animate windows, enable peak, save taskbar thumbnail preview. I don't want it to save. I don't want it to slow down. I don't need it. For some you might need it. I don't. Um, you can come here to and then you can choose a lot of things. Use drop down, smooth control boxes, and right here you could adjust for best performance of programs or background services. Please always choose program, right? Right, programs is actually good for you. Background services is going to just run, so you can just focus on speed, okay, not looks. So this is very important. So hope this is actually helpful for you. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is okay. So the next one is update Windows and drivers, right? So keeping your system updated can solve hidden slowdown. Okay, so yes, I don't always use this step all the time, but well, you might want to do that. That would actually help you sometimes. But you can go to Windows updates, and then you can actually check for updates that are actually relevant to you. Again, you could use device managers to update your you just right click here and then go to device manager, right click here, go to device manager, and you could actually update your drivers. Okay, all right. So that's that's it. Your PC should already feel faster. Let me know in the comment section, okay, which tip helped you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bells for notifications. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.